So in this video we are gonna learn how to make white line watermark in CapCut. So first add a black overlay in the new project. Make its length around 4 seconds. Now write your channel's name here and select the font workers. After adding the text properly, export this project. Now come back to the text again and here go to the styles of the text and make the text color black and add a white stroke. Keep the intensity of stroke around 10. Now export this one also. And now add a white line also and export it like previous ones. Now come back to your project and add the texts as overlay that you have exported earlier. Remove their backgrounds by applying chroma key. Now go to the white line and select the mirror mask here. After this you have to do keyframing like this. So watch this very carefully. Here add the quad-ease graphs between these keyframes. Now come to the first keyframe and here we will shorten the length of the white line by using mirror mask. Do the same process with the last keyframe also. Now come to your main text. Now notice that when the line is touching your text and come at this point and add the mask horizontal. Rotate it to around -90 degree and do the keyframing like I am doing. Now come in between these keyframes and add the quad-ease graphs. If the white line is not following your text, then you can change the graph also. Now you have to come at the point where the white line starts to move second time. And here you have to split the main text and delete it. Now add this black text and adjust it like I'm doing. After adding keyframes, graphs and all things, export it at high quality. So this was the tutorial, and you can also add the glow effect here to make it look more attractive. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.